My name is John Thoburn. I'm the dock master at the Jupiter Yacht Club Marina. Here at the marina, I had very specific ideas and requirements as to how I wanted the cameras to look and be placed. And working with the technicians of EOS was completely enjoyable. They did everything that needed to be done and used their expertise to have everything placed for the maximum viewing. And we're very happy about that. Originally, the marina had an old school DVR machine with analog cameras that proved unreliable and required a ton of maintenance to remain operational. When we switched to the EOS system with the Watchdog, it was like night and day. Everything became extremely stable and very easy to use and very easy to go back and look for video that you were interested in. The difference between, the main differences between the two systems are basically reliability. The new system, we have a lot of power fluctuations here, and the new system is very stable, where the old DVR and analog required a lot of resetting and was very temperamental. And that's probably that, and the ability to go back and easily find footage is the reason why it's so much better. One of the cool features about the system is the Watchdog Smart Search, which I touched on earlier, which allows me to make a zone of interest, and then it will, across the timeline, very quickly show me exactly how many times something entered that zone, making the search time very efficient and quick. We were unable to run wires to cameras, which basically made us go wireless with all the cameras that we have here. And the stability really surprised me in the sense that we're in an unstable environment right next to the Atlantic Ocean and have a lot of weather conditions, and the system has provided or proved itself to be stable. Another one of the main differences is the picture quality between the two systems. The old analog system was very grainy and very susceptible to different light conditions. The new cameras with EOS provide a much clearer picture both in the dark and at night and at low light situations. It's a superior system.